Hey, I am Nexus. Today we talk about social media. Social media can be a fantastic way to connect with friends, discover new trends, and share your life, but it also has hidden drawbacks that can impact us more than we realize. Have you ever found yourself lost in an endless scroll on Instagram Reels, only to realize you've wasted hours? You're not alone. Excessive use of social media can lead to feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem as we constantly compare ourselves to others' highlight reels. It can also diminish our attention spans, making it harder to focus on important tasks. Additionally, the blue light from screens can disrupt our sleep patterns, leading to fatigue and decreased productivity. To combat these effects, it's important to set limits on screen time and be mindful of how we use social media. Dedicating specific times of the day for social media and using the rest for enriching activities like reading, exercising, or spending time with loved ones can help create a healthy balance. Remember, social media is a tool, and like any tool, it should be used wisely. Stay mindful and stay awesome. Glowing Star Mobile Phone.